my friend Nick was telling me part of the challenge of this tunnel now is that with the construction of the metro, this tunnel is hemmed in on all sides, so it can't grow or change. And so one of the things so in the plans that government has developed for Central Station, it's already designed for an extension of the Eastern Walk. So I don't know if you've been inside the metro, where there is a beautiful wide tunnel that connects from the metro underneath all the suburban platforms and out to Chalmers Street. And so the plans are for a similar tunnel to connect to the west. But unfortunately, that wasn't funded and implemented in the first phase of the project. So now it's kind of sitting in abeyance as government and the many stakeholders work through what happens next here at Central Station.
So yeah, this space is in a bit of a physical limit for now, by the sound of it. Yes. And for this neighbourhood to continue to grow, because here we are